Hey, what's up guys? Sloth King here. Today I'm going to be bringing the Supra to an exhaust shop. As you guys might know, and if you don't, my downpipe that I got from Drift Motion didn't fit too well. It's rubbing on the body and it's burning some of the undercoating off, and I can't seal or I can't tighten down the downpipe to the cat. And it's just letting some exhaust fumes into the engine or into the cargo. Into the car. Yeah, that's the word I'm looking for. And yeah, it sucks. I can't really drive with the windows down because you just smell all this exhaust smell and like the burning smell, and it's just awful. So I'm gonna bring it to a local shop. They do have a YouTube video. I will pop it up right up on here. And yeah, so I had to loosen up the downpipe a little bit, so my car got a little bit loud last night. So here it is on startup right now. Oops. God, that's so loud. Anyway, I'm gonna go drive there and see if they have some time today to just check it out and possibly extend it and fix it up for me. That would be awesome. I would actually love that a lot. So anyways, I will update you guys whenever I get there, and yeah. And here's I got way more clearance on the body now. Now the downpipe literally does not touch the body. It's not burning any of the undercoating off. He cut that flange right there, like bent it out a little bit so it can set the exhaust straight back properly so it's not at an angle. And yeah, really clean, really clean. All right guys, I just got done at Discount Mufflers, and you guys need to go. They did an awesome job. They got it done super fast, and now I can drive with the windows down. Clearly I have them up right now so I can record this, but go check out Junior. He totally helped me out. And check out his channel, Exhaust Addicts. He made a video of me. Well, he made a video on my car. Check it out. And yeah, here's some behind the scenes footage. Anyways, if you guys like this video, go ahead, leave a like, subscribe to see more videos like these. I'll catch you on the next ride. Here's some behind the scenes at Exhaust Addicts doing a sound test on my car, and they're backing it out right now. Yeah, super clean. It's weird seeing my car from the outside view with someone else driving it.